Hello, young artists. Welcome back to Peasy Art, your creative hub for fun and easy drawing tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween with an adorable, mischievous bat holding a gigantic pumpkin. It's going to be a spook-tacular adventure. So grab your art supplies and let's get started. All right, little ghouls and goblins, let's begin. Today, we're going to create a heartwarming scene with our cute bat friend. Start by drawing the bat's head and giving it the most adorable, fun, and happy expression. Imagine our bat buddy here to wish everyone a happy Halloween, complete with a mischievous grin that shows off its edgy teeth. The wings should wrap around the pumpkin, almost like the bat's hands holding it tight. Now let's draw that oversized pumpkin held lovingly by our bat. And don't forget to add a few little hearts around to show the bat's love for the pumpkin. Sprinkle some smaller pumpkins around the ground to set the spooky scene. And to add a touch of magic, let's include stars, sparkles, and fluffy clouds to complete the enchanting Halloween atmosphere. Time to add some color to our artwork. Use grays and blues for the bat, making sure to capture its cute and mischievous nature. The pumpkins can be bright yellows and oranges to celebrate the Halloween spirit. For the clouds, bring in some purples to create a magical backdrop. Now it's your turn to bring this magical Halloween moment to life with your unique style. I hope you had a fantastic time creating your own Halloween masterpiece with our cute bat and pumpkin. Make sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art by clicking that big red subscribe button below. And if you had a blast with this video, give it a thumbs up.